If you're experiencing issues with your Road 2026 card not working, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check card activation. Ensure that your card is activated. If you recently received it, you may need to activate it through the app or website before use. Step 2. Verify account balance. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Inspect card for damage. Examine your card for any visible signs of damage, such as scratches or bends. If the card is damaged, you may need to request a replacement. Step 4. Confirm transaction limits. Review your transaction limits and restrictions. Exceeding these limits can cause your card to be declined. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help resolve any underlying issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the card not working issue on your Road 2026 quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help.